Write and get paid. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can make money by writing. Like you earn by writing. And you can see here that the first writer wrote 276 pages and was paid $3,434. And the last person here wrote 366 pages and was paid $2,000 above. You can see here you have 2,000 above, you have 2,500 above, and so on and so forth. You can also earn this money. Yes, you can also earn this money. But before we proceed, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. And if you are new here and you want to be getting notifications from my new videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section if you actually get value for what you want to watch in this particular video. So let's dive into the video. So I will be showing you how you can earn in dollars as a writer on this particular website I'm about to show you. As you can see here, they are currently in search of native English speakers for orders that are to be completed by writers whose first language is English. Writers with English as the second language, that would be a plus if you are proficient in the following industries: English 101, engineering, statistics, medicine. And they are actually looking for writers that are good and they can speak English and they understand English and they have it as their native language. As you all know, in Nigeria, you can speak English very well. So this website is for you. And let's see what others are actually saying on this website. Let's see what Sarah is saying. Your support team is awesome. They never jump into conclusions without analyzing the situation carefully. And you can see Rahul N. You can see this particular guy. He's not from Nigeria. He should be from India. I don't know. But he said that now I can manage my personal time better. I can work whenever I want and still receive good money. So you can actually receive good money from this particular website, and this is a great company. Thanks to prowriters.com, I can afford to receive a master's degree. The name of the website is prowriterstime.com. It is spelled prowrterstime.com. And you can see Sharia P. Being a mom is not easy, but thanks to prowriters.com, I can provide for my child. So you can see, even if you are a stay-at-home mom, you can actually sign up here as a writer and start earning cool cash for yourself. Irrespective of wherever you are in the world, you can actually get money for yourself. So don't waste your time and start your freelance writing career. To get started, just click on get register now, and then I will walk you through the registration process. What you have to do is just to enter your email here and start registration. And one of the reasons why you need to choose ProWriters is because it is free. The registration is free. A constant flow of orders. You start getting orders here. Once you finish writing for one particular client, then you surely get another order. Then there is high wages, like the pay is very high. There is regular payments, and there is flexible working hours. You can actually choose the working hours you can use to work on this particular website, and there is 24/7 live support. So if you're having any issue, you can actually contact their customer care service and they will give you response ASAP. So after inputting your email address and then you click on registration, then it should bring you here. So the first thing you have to put in is your first name, then you put your last name, then you choose your gender if you are a male or a female, and then you can choose country here. Like we have different countries here. Like this site is for people all over the world. You can choose Haiti, Finland, India, Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria. Then what I have to do is just to choose Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria, and then after I'll put my name, my first name, I'll put my last name. My last name is Oluwafemi, and then I will put female. Then I will put city from Lagos. Then my email address that you used to enter, like you submitted before coming to this particular site, then you put it there. Then you put your alternative email address. Should in case if they can't contact you on the first email address, then you have to put an alternative where they can actually reach you on. Then you put your password. Then you type the password you've already entered. Then you put your phone number, but you have to start with, maybe if your phone number is starting from 081 or 080, just omit the first zero, then start from 8, because if you input your country already, so your country code for your phone number will surely be here. So they ask, have you ever worked for any other online academic assistance company? Put yes. Then, are you available 24/7? Can put no, because you cannot be available 24/7, so it is already there. What citation styles are you familiar with? I am familiar with APA, and then I think you should choose APA. And if you don't understand more, if you don't understand this again, you can still go to Google. But when I was writing, like when I was writing my project in school, I used APA style. And then, what is your native language? You can choose. I understand, my native language is Yoruba, and I understand English, so I will put Yoruba here. That's my native language. And if you are from, maybe from Hausa, I don't know, we have different languages, so you just put it there. What other languages do you know? Yes, I understand French, so you can put it there. If you understand any other language, Spanish or any other language, just put it there. Even if it is Indian and you're in Nigeria, just put it there. So what languages can you write academic papers in? Just choose English. If it is French, choose French. But English and French is common. Like, you can actually use Google Translate to translate English to French. So what is your highest verifiable academic degree? Then bachelor, I'm seeing bachelor level. So, like, your discipline list. Okay, see, in this particular section, you have to be very, very careful, because these are the subjects you'll be writing on. These are the subjects that the clients want help from, like they want you to help them on it. So if you are good in any of these, just choose this. I'm good at accounting, and then maybe business, biology, business studies, chemistry. If it is communications, okay, composition, just choose computer science, choose economics, education, okay, just choose. Then you will surely get gigs for this. If it is finance, healthcare, okay, any area that you are very good at, and you know that you can actually write well about them. Even if it is marketing, management, mathematics, just choose. Even if it is music, just go through this and then choose. Okay, what are the spheres of your specialization? If it is academic papers, dissertation writing, if it's academic, just choose one. What additional software programming languages are you familiar with? It is Java programming. Like in Nigeria, that is what we are familiar with. Like, it's very, very common. Just choose it. And this about me, you have to write what this is an avenue for you to sell yourself. Just write, okay, my name is Esther, I am a writer, and I love writing for people. Just write anything about you. And if you are not sure, you can just go to Google, just see about me as a writer, then look at it and then see what you can get from it, and then put it here. Or you go to Chat GPT and then you start, just write about me as a writer, and you see options. Just write it and paste it here. And then what you have to do is that, then after doing that, just do some editing and then paste it here. So the next one is, how did you hear about us? Okay, you heard about us from where? From Google Ads, from Bing Ads, search engine. You can choose search engine, from Facebook or others. Just put it there. Okay, then we have this number here. All what you have to do is click on this box here, and then enter the number you see here, 34296. That is what we have here. Then click on I agree, and then click on submit. It's as simple as that. So if you get value from this video, just let me know in the comment section. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you.